Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It is currently 8:49 a.m. here in Pennsylvania, USA. Yeah, USA. But we are going on my way to meet my dad somewhere, and then my mom and Emery are going to drive back home because that's our home right there. We just got in the car. We're going to meet my dad at, like, I don't know, somewhere, and then he's going to take me. We're going to drive to his house, and Mommy and Emery, that's what I call my mom, Mommy and Emery are going to drive back home, and my stepdad's at work. So I'll see you guys when we are almost there to meet him. So yeah. So everyone, we are in the car, and I am with my dad and my stepmom, and this is Daddy, this is Krista, and then this is Maddie. Maddie, say hi. She's adorable. We just left my mom and Emery, and my mom and Emery are going to this tiny town thing for babies, so that's it's only 30 minutes away, so that'll be fun for them. And where are we going now?
We're gonna go to the cupcake shop and probably get some breakfast, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yep.
I know you're not hungry, but we didn't have breakfast. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I only had bread with butter.
Bread with butter?
I wasn't that hungry.
Did you have toast or did you have bread with butter?
Bread with butter. I'll see you guys when we get there.
Peace.
Peace. Hi everyone, we're at the house. I'll give you a house tour maybe tomorrow. But here is our cupcakes. We got some cupcakes, unicorn poop and cookie dough for me, and unicorn poop for her and for Maddie, and regular, not real poop, but poop for her. We're going to be testing. We're going to be doing Nickelodeon slime for today's vlog. Let's just get right on and straight into the video. Yeah. So here we go. We're going to open it, and I will see you when I'm done trying to open this. How's my day? Slime. 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 Hi everyone. I'm with my little sister here. Say hi. But we have the slime kids right here. There's Krista. And let's just get started with our slime. So we have the slime. I'm just gonna show you the glue. We have the 2 bottles of slime activator. I think it's borax. That's okay though. We have clear glue and then 2 white glues. So I think we're gonna follow directions, of course, and we are going to make some crunchy slime.
It says that you're not supposed to use glitter in this.
He doesn't like glitter. Want to say hi to the vlog, Dad?
No.
Because he thinks he looks a mess.
I'm hearing those little things drop all over the floor.
That's okay.
Is it?
We're going to follow directions, and yeah, I'll get back to you when I have the directions ready to build or make slime. So first we add 1 full packet of clear beads to the mixer. No.
They're a pain in the butt, man.
Once we get it in the mixer, I'll show you. This is a pain in the butt, man. Okay, hey, I'm video recording. Please. So we got the white glue, and we poured the beads in. Can you show them the beads? Pick it up. Here are the beads. Now we're gonna add 20. How much? 50?
15.
15 of glue. 15 millimeters.
Is it capped, hon? It might be capped.
I got this.
Are you sure?
Yes, I got this.
I told you.
Got this.
You don't got it.
I got this.
I'm hearing them fall.
He is very mad about the beads.
I'm not mad. Can I help you?
Nope. I thought it would come out like that. Alright guys, 15 of these things.
Well, how high do you have to get that?
15.
Where's that at?
Right there. Once we finish, I'll
Can
show
I
you.
help you, hon?
So I'm adding my 15 milliliters of glue in here. See, we had too much foam beads or beads. Beads. It was just coming out on its own.
What's for dinner?
I use a popsicle stick and get all the glue out from the sides.
Okay. Popsicle sticks. This has everything, really.
I want you. Popsicle too.
You want a popsicle too?
White slime glue, aka Elmer's.
AKA Nickelodeon slime crazy art.
It says make sure you get it all.
Okay, hold on. So Maddie left us, she abandoned us, but we had water, our glue, our foam beads. I don't feel like there's enough glue in there, but we'll just have to see what we see, or do what we do. Now, I'm gonna add a bit of paint for fun. So,
Oh, no, we added the wrong glue. It was supposed to be this one.
well, it doesn't matter. They're both the same. That one's just clear. They're both the same glue. Let's open the paints because I feel like
It's gonna
adding.
look different though.
Oh wow, that's okay.
I'm adding paint to mine, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna get this, and I'm gonna get just a bit of paint. That's too much, right?
That's good. That's okay.
I'm just gonna.
Dip the popsicle stick in there and get it all off.
Don't forget about your. Oh, can I have some of these?
No, I'm kidding. Sure.
Sour warheads.
Sour jelly bean warheads. All right, guys. So I added my paint. Now we are going to add the activator.
No. Now you have to put this on here and stir it.
Stir it. So we're gonna put the stirrer in. All right. So there's a cool little guy's just chomping back there. Let's stir.
Other way. There you go. Gotta stir it all up. Shake it around a little bit. Oh.
Hold on. What's it? It's getting all over me. Now, guys. Oh, there's a hole in there.
Well, don't shake it.
Don't shake it up.
I think that's just so you can add sprinkles and stuff as you go.
Guys, now we're going to add our activator. So how much activator
5
do you need?
mLs.
5 mLs. It's like slime. 5 mLs of activator. Slime activator. I'm just going to mix it. Is that okay? But I can't see.
Those are good.
5 mLs.
Take them.
What?
You're getting hair all over me.
Is this the wrong one?
Crazy man.
Hold on. Once we add our activator, I'll show you. Got me activator here. This is so pretty.
Bio
Right now.
blue out of Alliance Castle.
We used the wrong glue, guys. So, now we're gonna mix. What happens?
Bio who?
It came slime. Wow, this is a miracle. And Maddie only comes over to see the mixing part. All right, guys, that was quick. Now we're gonna take it out.
Are you sure it's done?
Yeah.
Take it out of the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but I want to mix more. We
Yeah, you
mix
should probably mix it more. It doesn't look.
Once we get into slime, I'll show you guys. So guys, I finished my crunchy slime. It's not really crunchy. The beads fall out, and it's hard. It's because I add the borax too much at a time. Like, I should just add slowly at a time, but I added it really fast, all of it at one time. So it's kind of hard. So I'm going to let Maddie play with this one because she really likes it. And we're going to make glitter slime this time with clear glue. Here you go, Maddie. Let's make some glitter slime. Glitter! So guys, for the glitter slime, we add 15 mLs of clear glue.
What?
She's playing with the slime. Since we made it, we mostly know.
Go Maine. Oh.
The 15 mLs? That's 15 mLs of clear glue. Oh, it's on my face. No, it's not. So, 15 mLs of clear glue.
Go Maine.
She really likes the slime. Can I feel? It's like jiggly slime. It's like a store-bought slime. 15 mLs of glue. Krista's helping me with the directions. So I'm really bad at the directions. Let's get all the glue in there.
My whole video.
You did?
Maddie's helping Lyra.
You're mostly playing with it.
Space time. Yes?
That's not
Yeah.
And I'm going to add the activator this time
Yeah.
very slowly so it doesn't become that hard. I'm going to add.
25 mLs of water.
Okay, so we have our glue and water in here. Half a vial, what's that mean?
So just dump half of it in there.
Half of each one?
We'll start with one color first, and let's see how it turns out.
I'm going to use purple. Purple's my favorite color.
Do half of it.
Hey, this. One, two, three.
I can't do it right now. Half of it, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, Maddie, look at the glitter. Maddie, look at Lyra. Keep going.
I can't tell.
Ooh.
A little bit more.
Wait,
Okay, that's good.
yeah. So now let's mix it before we add our activator. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, you did not clean this good.
Ew. Look,
Well, I mean, it's okay. It's pretty hard.
that's hard. So
Here, let me add the slime to you. Here. Alright, now guys, we're going to mix it all together.
Ooh. So beautiful.
So beautiful.
Ooh, that's so pretty.
That one mixes a little bit better, huh?
There. Now, guys, we are going to add our activator, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, how many? 5?
Yep.
This, I think, I have a good feeling about this one. Let's see. That good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit at a time.
Color this.
What color is that?
Pink.
Good job.
Oh, it's becoming slime. It's not totally slime yet. It's just becoming it. Guys, I'm going to add a little bit more.
Shoot.
See how better it works when you go slow. So guys, once we get this in the slime, I will show you guys my final product. So guys, sorry, my video, I'm editing my video right now, but for some reason the video is too long. It's like 14 minutes, so, and I really want it to post because it's a really cool video. So I'm going to show you guys the slimes tomorrow, and this will be the outro. There'll be no... Shh. There'll be no cool intro today. I love you guys so much. I'll see you tomorrow for vlog day 40. And yeah, bye guys. And subscribe and like, and peace out.